For our last few days in the Sturt National Park, we travel from an amazing campsite at Mount Wood, camped by a billabong. We take a short hop to check out the iconic township of Tibooburra. Moving on, we head out to the Dead Horse Gully campground where we check out a replica historic gold mine and take a morning walk through the hills with local wildlife. Well, it's an absolutely beautiful morning. Got a little bit of cloud today and we've had some spots of rain, but we've camped beside this lovely little billabong. We've had emus coming in to drink out of the billabong. Yeah. We've had kangaroos, we've had bird life. It has been absolutely amazing, and I just thought I'd give you a bit of a tour of the campsite just to show you what it was like.
Yeah, and, it's Mount Wood. We're in Sturt National Park, and it's the Mount Wood designated camping area. So there's toilets, barbecue, gas barbecues available, water, but not for drinking, but we've washed and showered in it this morning in our little shower tent over there that's drying, and which is a real treat. We've had a few dusty days, so it's good to get in the shower. And yeah,
we're both feeling very clean this morning.
And check the billabong.
But this is beautiful.
It's gorgeous.
We've had
a little family of emus, a dad emu we think, and 7 little chicks just come in that little channel just down there. We were just sitting here by the car having afternoon drinkies, and they just walked up, all had a little drink and walked away, and about an hour later they came back from the other direction and called in again. And other emus have came in throughout the afternoon and evening to have a drink. We've had kangaroos this morning. Amazing.
Yep.
It's a great spot.
And here's our campsite. We're a bit ramshackle at the moment because we're just packing up after breakfast, but yeah, we're just next to the billabong. Got the shower tent drying out. We had showers this morning, and in the distance there's a bit of rain cloud activity, so who knows what's going to happen today, but it's a lovely day, lovely morning, and we're just feeling pretty great.
Yeah.
Just called into the Mount Wood Pastoral Museum. Fantastic exhibits. It's all outdoors, all open to anyone to come and have a look. But boy, is it hot. 38 degrees, blowing a hot wind, and it's cooking out here. Tibooburra is a small town but has plenty of character and history. A memorial to the Charles Sturt expedition, and it even has an outdoor theatre.
We had a delicious lunch at the Tibooburra Hotel, which has been rebuilt after a devastating fire. A gorgeous old building, lovingly restored. The family hotel opposite is painted with unique murals throughout, which you'll need to call in to see for yourselves because it's adult size only and you need a broad mind.
Hello, what are you doing? Hello, what you doing?
The local museum's worth a look. They even have the original Cameron corner post. Our last camp in the Sturt National Park was the Dead Horse Gully campground. We rose to a lovely morning and took a walk through the huge granite boulders, coming across goats, kangaroos, emus and birdlife.
Kangaroos hopping along a ridge at sunrise. Doesn't get any more iconically Australian than that. We absolutely love the sculptures throughout the Sturt National Park, along with the important information of conservation and land management. On our next adventure, we have a very windy trek to Sturt's Cairn, find more outback art, an incredible restored and preserved historic town, then we venture below ground in search of opal. Thanks for tuning in. Catch us, Trip Oz Adventures, on the socials and give us a like if you like what you see.